Friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great. Today I am sharing with you how you are improve your English. The 30 days. Yes or no? No. You have not 30 days. You have improved your English. You have watching this the YouTube. You have watching this video. 30 days. You have improved your English. You are not. You are not 30 days. You have improved your English. You have zero level. You are beginner. You have medium level, but you have not 30 days you have speak to English. Why are you reason? This reason is a the any language you have speak to lot of knowledge. Okay, your mother tongue is the different and English language is the different. Okay, any language, any language you have speak to, you have speak, uh, you have lot of knowledge. Okay, your mother tongue is you have daily speak, but you have not English is a not speak to English, you have not speak to English, and you have not improve your uh, you have not improve your get the speak to English. Okay, you have lot of knowledge, you have lot of practice, and you have speak to English. You have daily consistent, you have daily practice, and you have speak to English. You have lot of vocabulary, you have lot of remember this the vocabulary, and you have speak to English. Last year, 23 23 2023, I'm start this the learn this the language, but I'm not get this the speak to English. Okay, I am little bit this year, I am little bit I'm speak to English, but I am daily practice, I am daily reading this the book, I am daily uh, read this the vocabulary, and my mind is daily make this a sentence. Okay, but I am not little bit I'm speak to English, but I am some speak to English. You have daily practice, you have daily work for English language, you have learned this the language, you have speak to English, you have reduced this the fear, you have reduced this the laziness. Okay, the other people you are love, other people you love, you have speak to English, but you have ignored, you have ignored this the people, and you have speak to English. uh, First time only, one lady is the first time make this the chapati. Okay, but it is a not correct shape, this the make this the chapati. This is a daily daily this the make this the chapati, and killing a dog. Okay, and make fry this the chapati. This is a daily practice, and this is a correct shape, and write the correct shape, this the make this the chapati. Okay, this is way, this is the English language. You have daily you have speak to English, you have daily work for the English grammar, vocabulary, and you have daily practice, and you have speak to English. I'm walking this the I'm walk, and my mind is the make this the sentence. This is way, and you have create this the your mind is the environment, and you have speak to English. Okay, you have daily practice, you have going to market, you have going to walk these the friends, your mind is the make this the sentence. and you have your house is the things, you have described these the things. This is a plates, this is the plates. Why this the quality, this the plate? You have described, you have described anything. You have, you have uh, you have described this thing, you have speak. Okay, this is a shape, this is a round shape, this is a design. Hmm? You have described and you have speak to English. Okay, your house is the your house is the things. Okay, your house is the thing, this is the quality, this is a name, product, product, this is the name. Okay, and you have speak, and one day you have speak to English. You have little bit, you have speak to English, but you have daily practice. Okay, thank you watching this my video is a like and subscribe, and you can do and you can speak. Bye bye.